Hi everyone. In this video, I'm gonna discuss about cross multiplication method of solving two equations having two variables. So let us generalize it first by taking the variables, and we will be solving the exact problem. So let us consider this ax plus by plus c equals to 0 and ex plus fy plus z equals to 0 be two equations. And don't forget that while using this method, we have to keep the right hand side equals to 0 in both cases. So here a, b, c, e, f, g, they are all real numbers, and only the x and y are the variables. So solving equation first and second by cross multiplication method, what we have to do is that first of all we have to list out the coefficient of first equation. A, b are the coefficient of x and y, and c is the constant term. And let us repeat the coefficient of x and y, that is a and b. Similarly, we'll be doing the same with second equation: coefficient of x, coefficient of y, constant, and repeating the coefficient of x and y. Now what we're gonna do is that we just ignore these two, we ignore the first one, and we just write x just above BC, we'll be writing y just above CA, and we'll be writing 1 just above AB. Alright, now we'll be doing the lines like this, arrow like this, including this. Yes, and don't forget that whenever you just go downwards, take positive sign, and whenever you just go upwards, always take negative sign. Alright, so what we get here is that this implies we get x over, so BZ minus, because whenever we just go upward, we take negative, minus FC equals to, now stern of y over, what we have to write, CE minus ZA. Yes, so what I have to write here, just 1 over, you just think it yourself, what I have to write. Yes, it's AF minus from formula and EB. So we have got three ratios over here, and by comparing, we get three ratios over here. So comparing the first and third ratio, we get, this implies comparing first and third equation, we get x equals to, so this multiply with 1, BZ minus FC upon AF minus EB, and the value of y will be yes, CE minus Z multiplied by 1 and over this one. So these are the two values of x and y of these two equations. Now here we're gonna solve the problem by using cross multiplication method. So the given equations are 5x plus 7y equals to 3 and 6x minus 8y equals to 20. So to do this, let us make right hand side equals to 0. So writing these two equations in the form ax plus by plus c equals to 0, we get 5x plus 7y minus 3 equals to 0, and 6x minus 8y minus 20 equals to 0. So we are keeping the right hand side equals to 0. Now solving these two equations by using cross multiplication method, we get, so what we have to do here is that we just list out the constant terms, that is the coefficient of x, coefficient of x, coefficient of y, constant term of first equation, and repeating the coefficient of x and y. Similarly, coefficient of x of second equation, coefficient of y, constant term, and repeating the coefficient of x and coefficient of y. Now we just ignore this first one, and we write x just above this one, including 2. Now again including this and 5, we write y, and including this 2, we write 1 just above it, and we'll be drawing lines like this. It is for our comfort. Whenever you get you are over practice over here, you no need to do this, you can directly use this rule. So here we're gonna write here, so this implies what we're gonna write here is x over, so whenever we go up we take positive, and whenever we go down we take negative sign. So 7 times minus 20 is minus 140, so minus from formula, minus 8 times minus 3 is plus 24, so already here minus, equals to y over minus 3 times 6 is minus 18, minus from formula, minus 20 times 5 is minus 100, and minus 100 multiply this minus is plus 100, and 1 over 5 times minus 8 is minus 40, minus from formula 6 7s are 42. So this implies what we get here is x over 140 minus minus, so we add this, minus 164 equals to y over, so we get here 82, and here we get 1 over minus 82. So now taking the first and third ratio, we get x equals to minus 164 upon minus 82 gives 2, and for the value of y, we compare the second and third ratio, we get 82 multiplied by 1 is 82 over minus 82 equals to 1. Therefore the value of x and y are, minus 1. So value of x is 2 and value of y is minus 1. In this way we can solve two equations having two variables by using cross multiplication method. Just have a look. And this also, take a screenshot if it is important for you. Thank you so much for being with me and watching my videos. Do subscribe for more such videos, and do suggest in comment which video you like to see. Thank you.